Good morning, students. Again, the online class is going to start. So today I will start the topic or chapter, that is chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. So before they start the top chapter, so first all of you knows, in this chapter, one topic is deleted for this year CBSE according to your CBSE syllabus, that is the frustum. The shape of the frustum, that is this topic is totally deleted. Only all the topics, that means surface area and volume of three-dimensional shapes, that is these are what? Cuboid, cube, right circular cone, right circular cylinder, hollow cylinder, then sphere, hemisphere. These are the three-dimensional shapes. Here we will study. Okay. So first of all, we start the shape of a cuboid. I think all of you knows which type of a shape we know, or which type of a solid we know, the cuboid. This is the example for a cuboid. So here how many faces of a cuboid? Now here you see face number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so a cuboid have how many faces? A cuboid has 6 faces, and all the faces are in the shape of or this plane, or the each face having length and breadth. That means each face in the shape of a rectangular shape. Okay. So here you see, this is the shape of a cuboid. This is the shape of a cuboid. Okay. This is the shape of a cuboid. Example of a cuboid: duster, brick, your book, mathematics book shape. So these are the shape of a cuboid, or these are the solids. Example of for a what? A cuboid. So now let's see how many faces. Now here total 6 faces are there, and each face are in the shape of a rectangle. So all of you knows what is the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is, here it is length and this is breadth. So length and breadth. Okay. So this is length and this is breadth, and this one is the height of the. Okay. This is length, this is breadth, and this one is here height. But each face having only 2 dimensions, that is length and breadth. Here also. Okay, and the total, this is length, this is breadth, and this one is a height. So all of you knows what the area of a rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth, that is LB. So now here you see this is length and breadth. This is how many rectangular so top and bottom? These are 2. So length into breadth, here is also length into breadth. That means 2 length into breadth. Then this side come to, this is length and this is height. Okay. So these are also 2 shapes, and this is breadth and height. So B into H. Here also these are 2 shapes. So here 2 types of surface areas are also. That means one question said the lateral surface area and total surface area. So what is lateral surface area? Now these shapes are, or these faces are called the lateral surface, the side faces. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are called the lateral surface area. But when question said what is the total surface area, so the lateral surface area plus the top face area and the bottom, means all the 6 faces areas are called the total surface area. Okay. So here we see Now first one is the lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to what? Now this is length into height, and here is breadth into height. So here we write 2LH plus 2BH. Okay, that means 2 length into height. This is 2, so 2LH, and breadth into height. These are 2, so 2BH. So here we can take common 2H, L plus. Okay, so this is the lateral surface area of a cuboid. So this lateral surface area also called the curved surface area, but in this curved faces, or in which solid the faces are curved, then in that case we said what? Another curved surface area. But this is the shape, in the shape of rectangular, so these are called the lateral surface area. Second formula is what? And the total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid, that is equal to what? Now 2 length into breadth, so 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. Okay, all the 6 faces areas. So that means we take common 2, so LB plus LH plus okay, so these are the surface area of a cuboid. First one is, this is called the lateral surface area. Here we find the 4 side faces areas, and in total surface area, that means the area of all the 6 faces. Okay, then come to what is the volume of the cuboid. So third one is the volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid, that is equal to length into breadth into height. This is cubic unit. And when we find the area, so these are the square unit. This is also square. Okay, where L is length, B is breadth, and H is equal to height. Okay, so length, L is length, B is breadth, and H is height. Okay, so these are the 3 formulas of a cuboid. First one is the lateral surface area, 2H whole into length plus breadth, and the total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 whole into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height, and the volume of a cuboid, that is equal to length into breadth into height cubic unit. Okay, then the next figure or next solid or 3-dimensional shape, that is a cube. Second one is a cube. This is the shape of a cube. This is also like a cuboid. Here also having a cube having 6 faces, but only one thing is here difference, that is in a cuboid each face are in the shape of a which shape? Rectangle, but here each face in the shape of a square. So that means in square all the sides are equal, so that means here length, breadth and height all are equal. So let we take each side may be A and A. Means length, breadth and height all are equal. So here we take A. So similarly, so here first one is lateral surface area of cube. So now see here, each face in the shape of a square. So I think all of you know what is the area of a square. The side into side. Here we take A is the side of this face. So A into A, that is equal to A square. So lateral surface area means the four faces, side four faces. So that is equal to 4 into A square. So that is 4A square unit. Okay. Then second one is what? The total surface area of cube. That is equal to, here how many faces? Total surface area 6 faces. So same thing, it is 6A square. Okay. Then same, if third one you find, now the volume of a cube. The volume of a cube, that is equal to, similarly in cuboid, length into breadth into height. Here also same, length into breadth into height. So here all the length, breadth and height, all the three are equal. So that means A into A into A, that is equal to A cube cubic unit. Okay. So I think all of you understood how to find the lateral surface area of a cube, that is 4A square, and the total surface area of a cube, that is 6A square, and the volume of a cube, that is equal to A cube cubic unit. Okay. Then the next solid or three dimensional, that is right circular cone. Then the third one is right circular cone. I think all of you know what is the shape of a cone. This is the shape of a cone. So here this is the radius of this and this is the height. Okay, this is the height and this. So now see this type of the shape. This is called a cone shape. So here you see, this is the right circular cone. So here how many faces? Now here this face, this is the circular face and these are the what? Now these are the curved face and this is a flat circle face. Okay. So now here are two faces. This face is in the shape of a circle and these are this is called the curved surface. This is flat surface and this is curved surface. But this flat surface is in the shape of a circle. So now here you see this is the radius of this circle face, that is R, and this is called the height of the cone, and this is called what? L. L means this is called slant height. Okay, so this is called a slant height. Okay, so so here you see how many faces here? Two faces. So in this shape, what? Now the lateral surface area, here we can say the lateral surface area, here we said what? Now this is called the curved surface area. So this face area is called the curved surface area, and then total surface area, that means the curved surface area plus the area of this circular flat. Okay, so how to find the curved surface area? So first one is curved surface area, that is equal to what? Now pi r L. So here I think all of you know r is the radius of the circle and pi, that means according to your question pi value is 22/7, otherwise 3.14 according to your question you put. Then L is what? Now this L is where? L is what? Slant height. This is also called the height of the cone, but it is a slant. Just this line, so this is called the slant height and this is called the height of the cone. So how to find the L? And here you see in height and radius and slant height they make a right circular, right angled triangle. So by Pythagoras we can find L is equal to root over of h square plus r square. Okay, so slant height of the circular cone L find out everything. So how to find the length of the slant height? L is equal to root over of h square plus r square. Okay, so then come to what? And this is called the curved surface area of a right circular cone or cone, that is pi r L. Then second one is what? The total surface area. Total surface area of cone, that is equal to what? Now curved surface area plus the area of this circular flat. So area of or curved surface area plus area of base. Base is here circular base. So that is equal to what? Now pi r L plus area of base. What is the area of a circle? I think all of you knows, that is pi r square. Okay. So now in between these two we can take common pi and r. So here it is L plus r. Okay. So this is called the total surface area of a cone, that is curved surface area plus the area of the base, that is pi r L plus pi r square, that is pi r will take common. So L plus r. So here this is a what? Now the area of a surface area of a cone. Here are two surface area, that is first one is curved surface area and the second one is a total surface area. Okay. Then come to the volume of the cone. So here you write third one is volume of a cone, that is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. This is the formula to find the volume of the right circular cone, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. I think all of you know where r is the radius of a base and h is a height. So I think all of you know here L is what? And the slant height, and r is what? And the radius of the base, and h is the height of the. Okay. So these are the formulas for find what? The surface area and volume of a cone. Then come to the next solid, that is the three-dimensional shape, that is right circular cylinder. Then fourth one is a right circular cylinder. So I think all of you know what type of shape is here. Now this is the radius. So here you see, or this is also the height. Okay. So this one is how much, what type of this? Now this type, here you see, this type of shape. So this is the shape of a cylinder. Okay. So here what? Now here how many faces are there? Now 3 faces, 2 circular flat faces and 1 what? Now curved faces. two circular flat face and one curved face. So here you see, so what is the curved surface area? Now this area is called the curved surface area. That is what? Now here it is r radius and here it is the height. So the curved surface area, first one here you write. Now the curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r h. Okay, so this is 2 pi r h is called what, or to find the surface area, curved surface area of the cylinder. Then come to total surface area. Second one is total surface area of cylinder, that is equal to what? And the curved surface area plus the area of both base, top base and bottom base. So these are in which shape? Circle shape. So all of you know what is the area of the circle, that is pi r square. So here also pi r square, here also pi r square. That means 2 pi r square. So here 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. But this is pi r square, this is also pi r square, and the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So total is sum of, so here you can take common 2 pi r, so then h plus r. Okay, so now you know what? Now the curved surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, and the total surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r whole into h plus r. Then come to the volume of the third one is volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. This is called the volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. So where r is radius of the base and h is height of a. Okay, so I think all of you knows, all of you understood. So here today we will discuss about 4 shapes or 4 three-dimensional shapes or 4 solid. That is, one is a cuboid, cube, and then right circular cone and right circular cylinder. So all of you, I think you one time you practice this, all the formulas, that means curved surface area in a cube and a cuboid. We said the side faces area, that is called lateral surface area, but in a cone and cylinder, the side surface area, that is called the curved surface area. Okay, and then next is total surface area and volume of all this. I think all of you understood. In next video we will discuss about other types of shapes. Okay.